Good morning, D&D Dreamers. In today's video, we're gonna be going to the beach. So we got a little beach vlog for you guys.
I'm so excited. We're going to Anna Maria Island, and it's just a really pretty beach with pretty clear water. But first, we're gonna run to Publix and get some snacks. We're gonna get some fruit, some yogurt, some
Water,
chips, maybe
Gatorade, chips or something.
Yeah.
A couple things to snack on throughout the day. We are wanting to go to like a restaurant or something at the end of the night for like a little date night or whatever.
Like a little beach restaurant. So.
And yeah, we did actually go to this beach last year for our 1-year anniversary, so we're going to be revisiting it. It was really nice. The sand was good, the water was nice, and we also saw a manatee. Yeah,
it's called Bean Point. It's on Anna Maria Island, but it's really pretty, and it's where like the Gulf meets the bay, like Tampa Bay. So it's like really pretty. We'll show you guys when we get there.
But I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Which one? Which blue? The dark blue?
Yeah, I like the dark blue. Is that okay?
Yeah.
We might be able to get single ones.
There's those.
Oh, yeah, do you want to get those?
Those are zero though. That's Gatorade Zero. I don't like.
They have a real one, by the way. I mean, I guess they're the same price.
2 for $4.
Actually, this is cheaper.
Okay.
It has the per ounce price. That's what I always look at. One's on sale.
Yeah, I know, but it's okay. I think I'm gonna get the 4-berry smoothie mix. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one.
You sure you don't want to get this, man? Because I really want grapes. But, like, you can get strawberries with it, too.
No, because I want to put this in my yogurt parfait. I like the cotton candy.
Huh?
I didn't think they had any cotton candy grapes, but they do.
I think you should pick between this or that.
I'm not getting cotton candy grapes. I'd much rather have my yogurt parfait. These are it right there too. Buy one, get one.
I'm looking for the good ones. You gotta get the dark red ones. Ooh, these ones look good.
Get some of this.
You're gonna get a whole pack?
Yeah.
Why don't you just get a single?
Because I'm gonna probably eat all of them.
But we don't need to take all these to the beach. Just get a single.
No, I will probably eat all of them at the beach.
No, you're not.
Or 2 at least. Oh, definitely eat 2 at least. Then I'll get 3.
Huh?
Then I'll get 3. It's 3 for
It
$5.
doesn't matter. You don't have to get 3 just to get the deal.
Yeah, but one of these aren't big enough for me.
Oh my gosh, I cannot deal.
What does it look like? What is it? Which brand is it?
Fine, but the tanning kind, and I don't see it. It's
Well,
fine. I'll just get this one. This kind smells really good.
They probably have some down here.
It's fine. It's fine. This
Yeah.
one smells really good.
All right, get it.
Let's get the 15, and you gotta rub it for me, because like this is the rubbing kind.
Do I need to get 2?
Well, it's free. We can get a different flavor though.
No, I don't want a different flavor.
Cheddar sour cream and onion. That sounds great. Put
No.
'em in. Let's see how many calories. Oh, only 130 for 24. I think we're getting them.
Jeez. Why don't you get the variety pack? There's no variety.
No, there's no variety. Also, I don't really like the honey ones.
I like the honey ones.
I like 2 of these big ones. These are big. Or maybe that's too big for the cooler. It might be too tall. We might have to get those.
We can lay it down.
Alex, fresh backer, please. Alex, fresh backer.
I
could
can
have
just
to hold
carry
them.
it. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, let's see how much I weigh.
Oh, goodness. You do this every day. I think you lost a little weight.
No, I'm still 188. If anything, I might have gained like half a pound.
Oh, Lord. Just got everything from Publix, so we are headed to the beach.
Does look like we have some traffic. Looks like there's other people that are also planning to go to the beach today, I guess.
Yeah.
But hopefully it's not that much traffic because we do have like an hour and a half to go. So.
Oh. All right, well, we'll see you there.
We're all beach ready. Got the bags, got the goods. Now we just gotta walk. But where we're walking to is not that far. It's probably like a mile. Not a mile.
Way less.
Half a mile?
Less than that.
Less than half a mile.
It's right here.
Oh, it's right there. So we got the goods. About to go to the beach and set up. A little snack time. Teddy Grahams. Cheez-It Snaps. Unfortunately, it is extremely windy outside.
But it feels so good because like the sun is hot and the wind is blowing, and like this is how you burn. This is the recipe for burning because the UV is like 8.
I want it to be hot without any wind. I'm cold.
Feels great.
What the heck?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
Are they playing games? That was so.
They all just decided to leave the beach.
They were literally like right on top of us.
What the heck are they doing?
They're just circling.
Chopped up with some blueberries and my vanilla yogurt. There you have it. We're leaving the beach, but we're gonna be back for sunset. We're gonna go get some dinner. We found this little spot literally like right off the beach. It's at like this little pier. So we're gonna check that out, eat dinner, then we're gonna come back, watch the sunset, and then we're gonna head home. Are you ready for that?
Yes, I'm starving.
What do you think you're gonna get?
I want some fish.
Fish? I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I don't know if I want to get like a sandwich, or if I want to get like fish tacos, or if I want to just get regular fish or shrimp and grits. I don't know, but we're gonna let you guys know. came back from dinner. Dinner was great. My car had a $50 ticket on it for being parked the wrong direction. But literally none of the signs, like no sign said you have to be parking a specific way. It just said have your wheels off the road. My wheels were off the road.
Maybe we're just kind of like slow. We never heard this law, but
I'm gonna dispute it.
thank you guys for coming with us on our beach day. We just caught the sunset and we honestly forgot to film a lot of it for YouTube, but check out our Instagrams and you'll see how cute the pictures are.
And TikTok.
And TikTok. But it was really, really beautiful. It turned out to be a great sunset.
And a great day, except for my $50 ticket. That we are going to try and dispute. So hopefully we can dispute it and I don't have to pay those $50. But thank you guys for watching.
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoy. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Keep dreaming.
Bye.